Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact reader age and tone. This shapes vocabulary and sentence length. Once done, sketch 6 to 12 story beats. Open, conflict, resolution, and lock the moral. Make sure to collect reference images and a few example lines that match your voice. These guide the AI. You then prepare a short character sheet with names, ages, and quirks to feed into prompts so the model writes consistently from page to page. You now write page-level prompts. Describe the scene, emotion, and one key line you want on the page. Then ask the AI for 3 stylistic variations and a simplified version for younger readers so you can compare. Once you have options, edit for rhythm, clarity, and repetition. Children respond to cadence. Make sure to rerun prompts with small tweaks. Swap a verb or change length to refine pacing until each page reads naturally and supports your illustrations. You finish by aligning text to artwork frames and choosing fonts and spacing that suit young eyes. Once done, export a print-ready PDF and a version sized for ebook platforms, following bleed and margin rules. Make sure to run a read-aloud test with actual kids, note where they lose interest, and revise those pages. If the book feels off, the key troubleshooting tip: simplify language and shorten scenes. Children often need clearer, faster arcs to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.